Hi guys, welcome to a very sunny day in my neck of the woods. I was hoping for some clouds so that I would be able to see the camera, the viewfinder, and yeah, but it is what it is. Maybe we're getting some clouds now. Yes, we are. Okay, here we go. A lot of you have been asking for crocheted things that I've made in the hand-dyed yarns, and this is one of them. This is a DK weight cotton that I dyed earlier this summer. I don't remember exactly what I called that video, but I will link it in the cards and below as well. And I'm holding the microphone because it's quite a thick, heavy fabric, so I'm a little concerned that the magnet that holds the microphone in place is not going to be that it might fall off. And I'm out on my balcony, so I'm kind of worried that the whole thing's just going to fall down on the street. So I need to hold this thing. Anyway, the top is the Confetti Summer top. And I used the hand-dyed yarn, the DK weight. I had 4 skeins of it, which was absolutely enough. I think I had a little bit over. And then I used some pink and some green in Paris, Drops yarn Paris, which is the same yarn that I used to dye the lighter colors. Let me come in closer so you can see it. And this is a really easy summer top, easy crochet project, which I need because I'm not that good at crocheting. I can do some basic stuff, some granny squares and things like that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Very pleased with it. It's a bit on the heavier side, but because it's a short one, it doesn't really matter. I don't feel like it's heavy to wear or anything. By the way, I hope you can still hear me. There's a lot of traffic going by now. And there's a lot of wind as well, so I hope the microphone doesn't pick up too much of that. But yeah. Quick and easy project. I find it very I don't know, soothing. It's almost like a yoga thing to crochet. So I should probably do that more often. Maybe I'll get better at it if I do it more often. Who knows? Who knows? But I'm really happy with the result of this one anyway. So, yeah. And like I said, 4 skeins was enough. And I got a big body. So if you're a slightly smaller person, 4 skeins is more than enough, and you can make it longer as well. Oh, here comes the sun again. But yeah. Finished project of the week. Okay, that's it. Sun is coming back, so I'm going to go inside and edit this and upload it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!